Welcome, guys. It is a better moment we are taking now. This is a part 7 of the smart money concept. If you have been following our channel now, today we are speaking advanced liquidity. What is advanced liquidity? Many people ask what is an advanced liquidity. This is the day, guys, that you will enjoy and learn all about advanced liquidity. Having liquidity is all about. So many people have been asking about liquidity concept. It has a lot of many things. I will take you through the note. Every step you will understand. Forex we call is a course. If you deal it like a course, you win every time. We are taking the liquidity. Let me be in the chat. You train wisely every time, guys.
Guys, so that's fantastic. So awesome, guys. Welcome to what is liquidity. So our question today is asking what is liquidity. Do you understand what is liquidity? So this is an advanced liquidity. I will tackle everything about liquidity. So be keen. You follow step. Take your notebook. You follow. We seen that we are professional traders. We need to study everything. We can't study everything, but we need to study almost 90% of it before even trading. So this is the first strategy that I'm introducing to you before price action. So smart money has been working for me for last 2 years. So keep looking. Liquidity. Many people don't understand liquidity. I have prepared note for you. Let's read together. What is liquidity? Ask that question. Certainly, understand the concept of the liquidity is important for anyone looking to participate in the finance. Not anyone looking to do what? Participate in finance. That is foreign exchange money. That is forex. Liquidity refers to the issue which 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 an asset can be converted to cash without affecting the market. In other words, it is a measure of ability of an asset to be sold quickly as at a fair market. So all these are shit. Let me show you the correct thing that we are looking about. Because I have done this, so I need you to enter in the real deep understanding of the market. Very good. It's here. This is now you have been looking what is the definition of liquidity. Let me show you. Stop and is a strategy aimed at triggering stop losses order to cause traders to sell as a set and driving down the price, allowing the market participants to buy the asset at a lower price. Both strategies are used in forex market, but they are distinct, have different implications for traders and investors. Let me explain this, guys. So stop it is a strategy that is now liquidity to sell asset and driving down the triggering stop losses orders to cause triggers to sell asset and drive down the market, allowing the market participants to buy the asset at a lower price. Both strategies are used in the forex market. So what is this, guys? So let for example the big banks, we are smart money traders. So the big institution banks, they want to do what? To buy what? To buy that currency. So there is a they will drive market down a little bit. So let me say that there were stop losses put over when they were selling, so they will drive below those stop losses, then they go buy up to the next key level, guys. So let me show. Don't worry, I will go to the chart, I will explain, I will make sure that you have understood this. You have come where you learn basic things, then we learn more advanced. So for today's is advanced. So watch video part 1 for the liquidity and part 2 for you not to be confused. Yes. We are being asked, during which section does the liquidity at take place? During which section does liquidity take place? So it can happen an asset, but is more likely during time of a lower liquidity such as Asian section. It is important for traders to be aware of possibility of liquidity out and adjust their trading plan accordingly. So you need to know the time of liquidity. The time of the liquidity is the time many traders are entering the market. So the many traders are entering the market, so the liquidity is being created. So that is a consolidation regime. Many traders are trading at that time, so they will move the market to the next key level. So what do the smart money do? They drive the market lower to that part. Yes, they drive market lower, they trigger, they take all the stop losses, then they move to the side. So if you are a smart money concept trader, you will not be caught at this time. So mostly Asian section, it ranges sideways, it stays there, yes, creating liquidity. Then after some times the market is driven down, then it moves. What are the best section now to trade? Asian, we are saying it is consolidation. So the London and New York are considered to be best section to trade forex because they have the highest trading volume and are most active. During this section, there is increased liquidity and volatile, which can provide more trading opportunity for traders. London section type start at 8 a.m. and ends 4, while New York session start at 1 up to 9 g.m. So you need to understand even the marketer, that is London section. If I will prepare a special video for specifying for only London section and New York section, Asian section, demonstrating and doing examples. So don't worry, today is liquidity, but we need to look at that because Asian, it affect what liquidity, guys. So let's move on. So uptrend liquidity art. So what is the uptrend liquidity art? So there's a break of structure. Let me show you giving examples. So here there is a break of structure. Yes, a break of structure, then liquidity is formed here. You know what, this liquidity here, many traders came and said there is a break of structure there. They did not look at this under block here, so they come and do what, they sell at this, their stop losses here. The market drives up, it comes and it takes all these what stop losses. Then as a smart money trader, you will wait up to this what, this level to tap here. This is, it may be even FVG, that is a fair value gap is here. There is an balance, so it comes and it's triggered here like a wave, then it goes up to the direction. So first thing, as a market structure, you have the trend, you trend with the trend and you wait the liquidity to be swept. That amazing, that one example. Let's go to another one for a reverse one. So this is let me show you the trap where it is, guys.